Hey guys, so we're going to keep this real simple today because I already did a video on how to make a string puppet, but I would like to show a more advanced way to make one so you have more control over the legs. Because normally when people make a puppet, you know, just the kind of puppets you get in stores and such, they just have the control like this, just like a cross. Okay, that doesn't give you much control over the legs if the legs are attached at the center. You can't control the legs separately. So today we're just going to have a little more control over the puppet by adding more sticks. Plain and simple, super easy. Here we go. So this is the Sweet Bear from one of my other videos. I'm just going to lengthen the strings for the arms because I want the arms to be down lower when they start so that I can bring the arms fully from down to up, because I made the strings too short, so the arms are always kind of like just at this level. And then when you control the legs, it's just like a jumping motion, and I'm not happy with that. So let's correct the issue and use some nice strong used chopsticks. Always save your chopsticks. I mean, obviously, if you're going to eat at a Chinese restaurant, you're going to want to save your chopsticks. So this is how people normally make the hand control for a string puppet. You hold here, and then the arms are attached here, and then in my last video, we had the feet attaching here. Well, this time we're going to add one more stick right up here, and the legs will attach to each end, and the arms to each end of here. And then I'll hold here. So let's just bind this together with some string. You can use twine, you can use anything you have, wire, whatever you want. I'm not gonna make you watch me tie the whole thing up. It's pretty simple. I'll just show you maybe in fast motion here. Take it through its own loop, pull it tight, do it 2 times maybe. And then I like to put a little dab of hot glue on each area to secure it even further. So, you know, I don't have to come back a year down the road and fix things. So, you know, do your tying, cut off the extra string, and then hot glue so it doesn't come undone in the future. I'm doing it another way now. I'm gonna try it like this time. Tying it with 2 ends sticking out. I mean, there's so many ways you can do things in this world, so you can switch it up. Yeah, I like this way. I hear an airplane. There's always something going on around here. Okay, here we go. The big test. I did not hot glue this part very well, but that's okay. All right, so here we have the legs attached to the front stick at the ends, the arms attached to the second stick back to the ends, and then the head is attached to the rear. I'm holding in the center, okay? You know, you can play around and try your own things, but to make this bear jump, you're gonna flick your wrist backwards, and it'll jump, okay? And then if you want your puppet to walk, you're going to flick your wrist left to right. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, left to right. What's going on? You know what's going on? I need to hot glue this because the string is moving with it. I need to hot glue the sticks onto the string because it would give better action. See? We can't have the sticks moving. I mean, you could leave it loose like this and just have the bear walk with your other hand. That's kind of cool, actually. I don't know. So what? I could control each separate. If I hold at the rear, I can control the arms by themselves. Oh, I just made an invention. I love happy accidents. This is awesome. Okay, yeah, so I did hot glue, you know, the invisible thread. I hot glued that to the sticks, but I didn't, the little binding areas, I didn't hot glue them onto the sticks, so it allows free movement of each of these. Well, thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate, and see you next time.